This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Immaculately kept. Light and bright open floor plan with split plan 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Assigned carport with storage shed at the front of the unit. As you enter into the tiled hallway, there is a storage/coat closet. To the right is a kitchen with great cabinet space and a breakfast bar. To the back of the kitchen is an indoor laundry room/pantry. The kitchen is open to the combination dining room, living room space, which is flooded with light from the wall-to-wall sliding glass doors leading out to a large Florida room. There are no rear neighbors. The living room, dining room has cathedral ceilings, which create a spacious feeling. The dining room has custom built-in wet bar and bookshelves, which act as a room divider. The bedrooms are a split plan creating privacy for guests. The master bedroom ensuite has 2 closets, one is a walk-in closet. The bathroom is beyond the walk-in closets. The second bedroom and bathroom are at the front of the condo. The roofs have been replaced by the association recently. The interior has fresh, neutral color paint throughout. There are new energy-efficient windows everywhere in the home except the Florida room. There is a community clubhouse and swimming pool. It is a 55-plus community, small pets allowed under 35 pounds. This home is close to shopping, medical centers and great restaurants. Just 20 minutes to Hudson Beach. Must see this property to appreciate how well it has been taken care of. For more information, review